Welcome to my CAD Tutor Revit architecture tutorials. In this video, I will show you the best method to create a wall. If you wish to create a wall, then go to the Architecture tab, Build panel and select Architecture Wall from the drop-down. First select the generic type wall from the type selector, then define the height as per your floor height, and select the location line as per your preference. And now you can draw the wall over model space. To edit the wall thickness, go to Edit Type and Properties palette, click Duplicate and rename. Then press OK. Click Edit and change the thickness and exit by pressing OK button. This is how you can create wall and wall thickness. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.